This is the book of Luke 21, verse 11. And great earthquakes shall be in divers places, and famines and pestilence, and fearful sights and great signs shall be from heaven. Shalom. First and foremost, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Ba'ashem, Yahweh Shai, Ba'ashem, Kakadash. And the Heavenly Father, true name is Yahweh, and his only begotten Son, Ba'ashem, and the name of Mashiach Kabashai. Those are their true names in the ancient Paleo-Hebrew, with the Lashwan Kadash tongue. And I say Barakatham to the elders and apostles, Wa'akim, Wa'akwaf once more, and I say Shalom. And this is a sit-down lesson of the earthquakes in diverse places as of February the 14th, 2025 on this Friday night. And this is from the NewYorkTimes.com, and it reads, magnitude of a 6.0 earthquake strikes Ethiopia. And this was published by William B. Davis, Madison Dunn, Judson Jones, John Khalif, and B. Maskley from the New York Times was published by them, as it says once again, a map of a 6.0 magnitude earthquake strikes Ethiopia. And that's the map was located at. It says a strong 6.0 magnitude earthquake struck in Ethiopia on Friday, the according to the United States Geological Survey. It says the tremor happened at 11:28 p.m. East Africa time, about 4 miles northeast of Mantaria, Ethiopia. Data from the agency shows the seismologist reviews available data that may revise the earthquake report's magnitude, and additional information collected about the earthquake may also prompt USGS scientists to update the shaking severity map. And I believe it was a 5.9 earthquake in the Russian Serbia area as well too. Let's see. It's a 5.9. Oh, that was the old one. I'm trying to look for the recent one. And this is from the Sun.my. World News as of February the 15th, 2025 at 12:06 p.m. And it reads, earthquake of a magnitude 5.9 strikes the southwestern Serbia, Russia, the GFC says. It says an earthquake of a magnitude 5.9 struck Russia's southwestern Serbia on Saturday, the German Research Century of the Geoscience, GFC says. The quake was a depth of 10 kilometers and 6.2 miles, the GFC says. All right. Then you had a 5.7 earthquake over in Mongolia, 81 miles from Koshut, Mongolia. 5.7 earthquake as of February 14th, 7:08 p.m. And this is the latest. This is from the latest earthquakes from the earthquake.usgs.gov, and it reads 2.5 earthquake in Maria Antonia, Puerto Rico, 2.6 earthquake in Texas, 5.7 earthquake 26 kilometers west of Karsh, of Russia, 5.3 earthquake in the Philippines, 5.0 earthquake in the Philippines, 2.7 earthquake in Anderson Springs, California, 2.8 earthquake in Pelia, Hawaii, 4.0 earthquake in Solomon Islands, 4.6 earthquake in Tabalio, Indonesia, 4.2 earthquake in La Pasios, Timor Leste. 6.0 earthquake in Natalia, Ethiopia. 4.3 earthquake in Ferro, Greece. 3.5 earthquake, 82 kilometers of north of Taras, Navas, Ponte, Puerto Rico. 4.9 earthquake, 94 kilometers west of northwest of Port Villa, Ventura. 3.2 earthquake, 9 kilometers northwest of Ayers, California. 4.5 earthquake, 8 kilometers west of northwest of Waihango of in New Zealand, if I pronounced that right. 4.8 earthquake in Azul Islands, Japan region. 3.8 earthquake, 232 kilometers southeast of King Cove of Alaska. 4.8 earthquake in 43 kilometers southwest of Matasillos, Mexico. 3.1 earthquake in 6 kilometers south of Sand Point, Alaska. 3.8 earthquake, 18 kilometers east of southeast of Naliahu, Hawaii. 4.6 earthquake, 63 kilometers west of northwest of Tabelio, Indonesia. 4.4 earthquake and 69 kilometers northeast of Labinio, Lombok, Indonesia. 4.7 earthquake off the coast of Ecuador. 2.6 earthquake, 96 kilometers of 19 kilometers southwest of Charlotte, Texas. 4.5 earthquake northeast of Hurliania, Philippines. 5.3 earthquake, 37 kilometers northeast of Laurenti, Philippines. 3.2 earthquake, 92 kilometers north of Cruz Bay, U.S. Virgin Islands. 5.1, 109 kilometers southwest of Labuan, Indonesia. 2.5 earthquake and 42 kilometers northeast of Deering, Alaska. 5.1 earthquake in South Sandwich Island region. 4.8 earthquake in Papua New Guinea. 4.8 earthquake in Papua New Guinea. 4.7 earthquake in Barra Taxco, Honduras. 5.2 earthquake off the coast of Ecuador. So those was the latest of earthquakes in diverse places as of February 14, 2025 on Friday night. It's the book of Luke 21, verse 11. It says, "A great earthquake shall be in diverse places, and famines and pestilence and fearful sights and great signs shall be from heaven. Right, so increasing famines and pestilence, plagues, and fearful sights and great signs shall be from heaven, right along with the increasing of the earthquakes in diverse places." And that's from the visitation from the Heavenly Father, Yahweh himself. And this is the book of 2nd Ezra, chapter 9 and verse 2. It says, "Then thou shalt understand it is at very same time where in highest was Heavenly Father Yahweh will begin to visit the world which he made, right, with the increasing visitation from Heavenly Father Yahweh himself with the earthquakes in diverse places." 2nd Ezra 9 and verse 3. "Therefore, when there shall be seen earthquakes and uproars people the world," right, increasing earthquakes and increasing of uproars people the world. And this is Psalms 18 and verse 7. It says, "Then the earth shook and trembled, and the foundations also the hairs moved were shaken because of his wrath." This is the prophet Isaiah 29 and verse 6. "And thou shalt be visit of Yahweh of hosts, with earthquake and great noise, and storms and tempests and flame of fiery fire." Right, visitation from the Heavenly Father, Yahweh of hosts. The prophet Isaiah 28 verse 2. "Behold, Yahweh has a mighty and a strong one, which is a tempest of hail and a destroying storm, as a flood of mighty waters, and a overflowing shall cast down to the earth with the hand." Right, that's the visitation from the Heavenly Father, Yahweh himself. So with that, hopefully this sit-down lesson was edifying of the latest of earthquakes in diverse places as of February the 14th, 2025 on this Friday night. So with that, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh, Ba'ashem, Yahweh Shai, Ba'ashem, Akarkadash, Barakatham, to the elders and apostles, Wa'akim, Wa'akwaf. Until next time, I would say Shalom.